Right, so 2005 on an 05 registration, Scania OmniCity, CN94UA, bendy bus, PSVR compliant. Yeah. Oh my. What? I just don't. Okay. Well, we've got here a body advert, which I am not very happy with. It should be very easy to get this off, but it shouldn't even be on there in the first place. I'm not a fan of these at all. The panels look alright. There's a bit of a dent on that metal there. Wow, that's stretchified. Yes, it's bendy bus. It's stretchified. Hooray for Hokies. No. Yep. There you go. Under bonnet is Euro 5 engine. Clean air zone compliant. Got front and rear door. Rear door might be taken out of use depending on if you actually want it or not. Quite a bit of damage to the skirting panels there, but that's to be expected with an 05 vehicle, just coming up 20 years old. Got the assault screen. Oh, your capacity's up there. There's your capacities. Will be in original first maquette. You probably can't get that anywhere else. It's got no screen though, that's the thing. It's got little dot matrices, I'm not sure if you can tell up there because it's turned off. Back here, got some adverts up there, a mirror up there, which I have no clue what's for. Oh, now I look there. There's the blue stop buttons. Is that a wheelchair bay then? No, that's just design, because they've got that now. Rear door's got a bit of an issue there, but still look right. We will offer to take the body ad off for you if you need us to. It's cold in here. So yes, I believe under it is just the normal first Barbie livery. Oh, if you can't see, this vehicle will be located up in Bathampton Heath. What's arriving there? So yeah. Just for recap, 2005 on an 05 registration, Scania OmniCity, CN94UA, PSVR compliant, clean air zone compliant, Euro 5, that's a lot of stuff. Yep, there you go.